I'm Sales Master Hana from Atomy, Canada. This is my journey. I'm from Seoul, South Korea, and I immigrated to Vancouver, Canada. I needed to keep learning and adapting, but I didn't feel it's difficult because I love living in Canada. Nature. I love the clear blue sky in Vancouver. I don't need to look up to see it. It spreads out in front of my eyes. It's amazing. I like visiting online store or offline store for interior decoration ideas. I love to learn singing and playing the guitar. Christmas. Christmas bringing all the people together, fostering cares and connection. I like listening to music and staying in the cafe. Croffle with whipped cream and ice cream, and chocolate chips and chocolate syrup. Gratitude, perseverance, and evolving. I used to overthink and doubt if this work or not. Since joining Atomy, I've developed, yes, I will do it attitude. And I can be better as I learn from doing it. Don't let yourself down by things you cannot control. Focus what you can do and do just the best to it. Admit we cannot change people. We keep learning and we grow, and more people will be attracted to you. Every year, Success Academy is full of inspiration and amusement. I still love it. Phoenix, it rises from ashes, representing forward thinking. As it overcomes the challenges, it gets stronger. Quality life, serving, and evolving. I always dream of flying. I want to fly in the sky, so I will go anywhere when I want to. My nickname is Genuine Hana. Actually, I made it for myself. I want to treat people with genuine care and respect, and I want to be a person people who can trust.